Okay, ready? Mom, it's your birthday. Thanks for all the care and love you give.
Not to mention the meals. Sometimes I get kind of nervous.
And forget to tell you how I feel.
Sure will, sure will.
I'm a little high. Because you love us.